Burnaby's big housing shift. Burnaby's real estate scene is on the move. Rising prices, new condo launches, smart home tech, and local updates that could shape your next big decision. Let's dive in.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Could tearing down trade barriers help solve Canada's housing crisis? A new report from CMHC suggests that breaking down interprovincial trade barriers could unlock an extra 30,000 housing starts annually, a significant boost toward closing Canada's growing housing supply gap. Right now, Canada is on track to build just 245,000 homes per year, far short of the 430,000 to 480,000 needed annually to restore affordability levels last seen in 2019. Over the next decade, that shortfall will add up to 4.8 million homes. So, what's standing in the way? Despite being a top exporter of building materials like wood, steel, and aluminum, Canada struggles to move those materials efficiently between provinces. Builders cite high transportation costs, inconsistent tax laws, and red tape as major barriers to sourcing across provincial lines. CMHC chief economist Mathieu Laberge says that fixing these inefficiencies wouldn't just increase supply and boost incomes, lower unemployment, and ultimately improve affordability. Rents, for example, are projected to rise by just 3.1%. In contrast, incomes would rise even faster, making housing more accessible over time. The federal government recently passed Bill C5, which aims to cut federal level restrictions and speed up infrastructure approvals. However, provinces still control most of the trade barriers and they've been slow to act. Internal trade friction is estimated to cost the Canadian economy over $200 billion per year. Canada has the resources. The question now is whether we can connect them across borders and build our way out of this crisis. Wondering where Burnaby's housing market is heading? The latest numbers reveal a city in transition. Some areas are sliding faster than others, while a few are showing surprising signs of resilience. Let's break it all down. Starting with all property types, Burnaby's prices dropped 4.7% from last June, now sitting at $1,040,400. South Burnaby followed closely with a 4.5% decline to $1,095,500, while North Burnaby dipped 4.0%, landing at $981,900. East Burnaby saw the steepest shift, down 7.2%, with prices now around $1,083,400. Looking at detached homes, the trend continues, but with varied drops. Burnaby as a whole saw prices fall 3.4% to $2,111,500. South Burnaby matched the earlier drop with a 4.5% decline to $2,163,100, while North Burnaby held up better with a 1.9% decrease to $2,131,900. East Burnaby saw a sharper 4.8% drop, now priced at $1,869,700. Next, apartments. Burnaby overall dropped 4.4% with current prices at $766,100. South Burnaby saw a 3.8% decline to $811,100. North Burnaby dipped 4.6% to $724,900, and East Burnaby was down 3.6%, now sitting at $773,200. Finally, townhouses. Burnaby saw a 2.6% decrease overall, now priced at $990,200. South Burnaby prices fell 2.3% to $1,075,700. North Burnaby dropped 2.6% to $930,700. And East Burnaby saw a 2.3% decline, now sitting at $907,000. Burnaby's market has cooled across the board, but with smaller drops in North and South Burnaby for certain segments, savvy buyers may find value hiding in plain sight. The skies are mostly sunny in Burnaby, and so is the future of luxury living in Brentwood. Etoile Gold by Millennium Development is a 47-story showstopper bringing modern elegance to one of Burnaby's fastest growing neighborhoods. Homes start at $580,000 and go up to $1.72 million, with 1 3-bedroom condos and townhomes ranging from 422 to nearly 2,000 square feet. Move in is set for March 2028, but this is more than just real estate, it's a lifestyle. Expect standout amenities like a pool, hot tub, fitness center, steam rooms, yoga studio, and guest suites. The 14T floor Sky Lounge delivers stunning views and entertaining space. Enjoy quartz counters, integrated appliances, and expansive balconies, some up to 500 square feet. Triple glazed windows offer energy efficiency and privacy. With Brentwood Town Center and SkyTrain just steps away, this could be Burnaby's next big opportunity. Is this your chance to live or invest in A12 Gold? Let's talk about turning a smart move today into a massive win tomorrow. Imagine you purchase a property in Burnaby for $698,000. You come in with a $52,350 down payment and finance the rest, leaving you with a mortgage amount of $645,650. Today's interest rates put your monthly mortgage payment at $3,151. Now, let's say you decide to rent it out. The potential monthly rent is $3,033. That leaves you with a monthly loss of $321. But don't let that scare you off, because here's where it gets exciting. Even with that minor cash flow dip, your yearly return on that down payment with rent factored in comes to minus 0.61%. It's small, but you're just getting started. This isn't just about monthly gains, it's about long term wealth. Over the next 10 years, just by owning and holding, you could build $133,860 in equity. And if the property value appreciates over those 10 years, which is realistic in Burnaby's growing market, you're now looking at a resale value of around $1,333,806. That's a $635,806 profit if you sell. Now, combine that with your rental income, down payment, and the equity you've built, your total return could reach $815,985. That's a staggering 1,459% return on your initial investment. Want to play it conservative? Let's cut that growth in half. You're still looking at a future value of $969,952 with a 10-year profit of $271,952. Would you invest $52,350 today for the chance to turn it into over $815,000 in 10 years? Looking for smart, safe, and fun tech for your kids? Meet the Echo Dot Kids, Amazon's cutest Alexa speaker designed just for little ones. It's not a toy, it's a full featured smart device with great sound and a playful owl design. Kids can ask Alexa to play music, read stories, help with homework, or stream from Spotify, Apple Music, and more. It comes with 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus, which offers access to Audible books, games, and educational tools. Parents stay in control with filters, time limits, and the Amazon Parent Dashboard, while Alexa provides kid friendly responses and blocks explicit content. It even builds independence, letting kids set alarms, control lights, or call approved contacts. And with a 2 year worry free guarantee and a mic off privacy feature, peace of mind is built right in. Could this be your child's new favorite sidekick? Looking for free summer fun in Burnaby? Head to Confederation Park for live shows, games, and creative fun the whole family will love. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, enjoy 2 live performances daily at 11:30 a.m. and at 2 p.m., plus free art activities, lawn games, face painting, and henna from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Don't miss the lineup. On July 29th, catch ventriloquist Kelly Haynes and the Magical Kingdom dance along. On July 30th, enjoy stories with Russell Hirsch and global sounds from Silk Road Music Quartet. On July 31st, dive into folklore with the One Eyed Troll, then swing into rhythm with Murphy and the Cats. It all happens at Confederation Park, 250 Willingdon Avenue, right next to the spray park. Got questions or want to perform? Email karag.robinsmith@burnaby.ca. Live music, local talent, and summer fun. What more could you ask for? That wraps up this edition of Sunny in Van. If you found this market update helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy house hunting. Sunny out.
Welcome to Sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with Sunny as your home.